Hey everybody, Midnight Ninja here, and today we're going to go over a giveaway that I'm doing. This is the first one on the channel, and this is actually in response to me now getting a new 3D printer. It'll be arriving Thursday, so I have 2 more days to wait, and I cannot tell you how itchy I am just to dig into it. I want to build it. I'm actually taking off work early so I can be home when it gets there. Yeah, all that fun stuff. You can tell this is going to become a big part of the channel, if you couldn't tell. So in response to that, there is a thing called Octoprint. For those of you that aren't familiar, it allows you to use your Raspberry Pi connected to your printer and to remotely view, take time-lapse, do prints, pause, stop, adjust the tables, all sorts of things. And you can do all of this with your phone or with a computer and a browser. You don't even have to be in your house. Your printer could be on the East Coast, you could be on the West Coast, and you can still tell the printer to stop, see what's going on in real time. And so there's a whole bunch of things you can do with it. It's really nice. Now, what I'd like to do is upgrade my entire rig with the Raspberry Pi 3 Model B Plus. Now, it's a very small step up, but for me, I'd like to get up there and just kind of have everything as fully functional as possible, which will also make slicing a little bit easier should I want to do that on the Pi itself. So what I'm going to be doing is giving away my original Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. This has a Zebra Virtue case on it, and for those of you that want a little bit of background on the specs, here you go. Let's have a look at what this is. It has a quad-core 1.2 gigahertz Broadcom BCM2837, that is a 64-bit processor, has 1 gigabyte of RAM. It has the BCM43438 wireless LAN and Bluetooth Low Energy, which is all built in. It has a 40-pin GPIO port, 4 USB 2.0 ports, a 4-pole stereo output and composite video port, full-size HDMI, a CSI camera port for connecting a Raspberry Pi camera, or one that's compatible with a CSI port, a DSI display port for connecting a Raspberry Pi touchscreen display, a micro SD port for loading operating system, storage data, expansion, stuff like that, and an upgraded switched micro USB source that can handle up to 2.5 amp. So, in order to win this thing, there are a couple really easy ways to do this. And I'm not going to make this super complicated. This is my first one. Currently, all you have to do is be a subscriber, and you have to have all of your subscriptions public so that I can see them and confirm you're a subscriber. Like this video. And that's pretty much it. If you'd like to leave a comment to let me know whether or not you actually are in to win this thing, that's fine too. I will check back in about a week, and I will pick a winner from there. If nobody replies or anything like that, then I will pull it out another week. So let's see what you guys think about this, whether you'd like my little tiny Raspberry Pi here, nice little guy. And be sure to stick around because these 3D printer videos are coming out. I'm going to rearrange the entire setup of the office here. My camera boom arm, I'm going to change the angle. Everything is going to be put on the desk. So there's going to be all sorts of videos, including unboxing, prints, tests, optimizations. We're going to be looking at Cura, maybe Simplify 3D if I can ever afford it. Other slicing programs, differences in types of filament, that kind of thing. So there's going to be a lot coming with this. So by all means, like, share, and subscribe. And remember, if you want in on this guy, you have to be a subscriber, like the video, and I will check back with everybody in a week. Actually, I'll make it Friday next week. I'll go through and I'll make another video announcing the winner. Good luck, guys. Have a good one.